Morning, my name is Alejandro. I am going to tell comparative adjective and superlative adjective. Comparative adjectives are used comparative adjectives of qualities within objective, people, or animal. You can compare city, color, height, speed, etc. Structure: noun plus verb plus comparative adjective plus than plus noun. Brazil is bigger than Spain. Superlative adjective in English express a quality in its highest degree and are also known as comparative of excellence. When comparing, for example, this side, this superlative is used to talk about the smarter or the busiest. Structure: noun plus verb plus C plus adjective superlative plus noun. The blue is the largest building in the city. There are some rules for the creating this word in English. Comparative and superlative are adjectives. They are divided into two groups: regular and irregular comparative and superlative. According to group they belong to, they are formed in different ways. One syllable adjectives that have a form comparative with and then the ending er, and from superlative with ending the x. Is if the adjective ends in as consonant plus vowel plus consonant. The last consonant must be repeated before ending the ending. Adjective: tal, comparative: taller, superlative: talles. Big, bigger, biggest. Two syllable adjectives can form this comparative with adding er as with one syllable. Adjective or when placing more before the adjective as with the syllable adjective. Similar, this adjective can form the superlative with adding the ending s or with placing most before the adjective. Happy, happier, happiest. Tilted, more tilted, most tilted. Adjective of three syllables or more for the comparative with placing more before adjective and superlative with placing most. Important, more important, most important. Expensive, more expensive, most expensive. Irregular comparative and superlative. These type adjectives are called the way because they are not regular. That is to say, when forming comparative and superlative, their form is totally changed. Basically, they are different words: good, better, best, bad, worse, worst. Thank you.